मांगने से भी दिया सब कुछ, इसलिए इनका चिकित्सा विद्वान आरोग्य होने की उनको श्रेष्ठ होने होती है। इसी बात भगवान
Thus, the Lord does not give such benedictions which are not favorable to His devotees. Why? Because we are eternally related to the Lord. If the son desires to put hand in the heater, the son gets attracted to the heater and wants to touch the heater. Will the parents let the son touch the heater? Why? Will the mother allow the son to touch the heater? If the son cries, even then not. She will try to distract the son to some other activity so that his attention is diverted. Even if he cries, even then the mother would not allow the son to touch the heater. Similarly, Lord is such. Even if you desire, if it's unfavorable, He won't give. Why? Because we are related to Him eternally. But we have relations from soul, from gross body, and from the subtle body. We have three relations to Supreme Lord. Lord will not give. Those who are killers of the self, they say that Lord is made up of illusionary energy and He is also material. Lord Chaitanya accepted Madhya Sampradaya only on one account. Why? Because they accepted the deity as eternal. They were all disqualities other than this, but only one quality, that they accept the deity as eternal. The deity is eternal. This is the sole quality which Lord Chaitanya accepted from Madhya Sampradaya. Some people say, how can we be from the Madhya Sampradaya? They have a separate philosophy. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted only one quality. These four different types of persons, they worship Lord and attain what they want from Him, whether religion, sense enjoyment, money, or liberation. But those who are unalloyed devotees, who are straight, innocent, Lord bestows His grace on them. That Lord, full of immense grace, must save
एक
me.
मुझे बताए गाँव से
There are two kinds
आज
of.
मुझे बताए संसार रूपी गाँव
The first is to save me from crocodile, and second is to save me from the crocodile form of material world, from the material world, from the illusory energy.
जो धर्म अर्थ काम
Those
संख्या करते हैं
who yearn
उनको भी इस
for
कम होती है।
dharma, karma, dharma, काम,
उनका
arth,
प्रेमलोक सेना बुद्धि प्रदान करती है। उनका मान को हटा के यदि उनमें सिंसियर जी रहे
if they have a sincere desire, they are also introduced to bhakti. If they have a sincere desire
सत्यम
for elevation.
भगवान प्रार्थित होने से भी सकाम व्यक्ति का प्रार्थित विषय प्रदान करते हैं। उनका परमात्मा देता है। आज जो व्यक्ति निष्काम वो कोई विषय ना मांगने से भी
Those who are desireless,
उनका सब
even if they do not desire anything, but Lord maintains them in its absoluteness and gives them everything.
ध्रुव का मांगा नहीं
Dhruv didn't ask for anything.
रुचि था भगवान का दर्शन से
He wanted to
उनका
ask something, but when he had darshan of Lord, his desire went away. But still, Lord made him the king. So he created a separate planet for him called Dhruv planet. But Prahlad will not accept anything. He said that my father was such powerful king, but he was never satisfied. He was always anxious. So why should I accept any kingdom? The Lord said, no, you will not have anxiety in your life. Why? This will never happen. Ambarish was the king of the entire universe, but never got entangled in the material world and the material sense objects. So wherever there is Hari Bhakti, so in any state he lives, if he is full of riches or if he is without any riches, if he is strong or is weak or diseased, he will never be unhappy. Why? Because he has Lord in his heart. If he has Lord in his heart, what is the problem? There is, if there is a lot of heat outside, but those who have air-conditioned houses, will the heat even touch them? Leave the house. If someone travels in an air-conditioned train, despite the heat and humidity, they are not affected by the heat. There was a person got off from the train and wanted to have water, but there was no water on the Gaya station, so he died there only. But those who were in the air-conditioned cabins, those people did not have any problem there. So those who perform Hari Bhajan, Hari Bhakti, so they are not affected by the heat, by the cold, by any situation. They are unaffected.
इन लोगों को देते हैं भक्ति, लेकिन प्रेम भक्ति दिखा और भगवान कोई निष्काम व्यक्ति को सब कुछ देते हैं।
Lord gives everything to the person who does not have any desires and also gives his own lotus feet to the person, to that person. When he gets that lotus feet, then there are no bondages for the person. Thus,
किसको कोई कोई बीमार
Vasudev Vipra of Srikampur,
उनका कोई बीमार था,
he was a leper and there were
उसको हटा
insects crawling on his entire body. So he used to pick them up and put them back on his body. So he used to smell, his body used to smell very badly. When Lord Chaitanya went to him, he could not find him in the night, and in the morning when he went there, he was told that Lord Chaitanya has left. So the Brahman, one Pujari Brahman, went to drop him somewhere. There are two kinds of welcomes. Firstly, you have to welcome the person by going ahead and receiving, and then while going back you have to go a little while along with him. Lord Chaitanya is omnipotent. When Lord Chaitanya hugged him, immediately Vasudev Vipra's body turned into a nice body. Vasudev Vipra said, I was better earlier because I will have ego now, a false ego. Why? Because ego is born out of. Kunti Devi said it is born out of four things. When Krishna said that the Kurukshetra fight is over now, there are no enemies now, you kindly permit me to go now so that I can go to Dwarka. Kunti Devi started crying. You did not say that don't say that there are no enemies. We are surrounded by the enemies, by Janma, Karma. These four enemies. So they went to Bhishma Pitama. So he was waiting to take darshan of Krishna, and I will leave my body while taking darshan of Krishna. And Krishna also wanted to instruct Yudhishthir through the medium of Bhishma Pitama.
इसको नहीं देता नहीं एक इसलिए ध्रुव आदि ने भक्त
Thus the devotees, Dhruva-like devotees, are given a transcendental body.
इसलिए भगवान क्या अगर बोले दया
Thus
अगर बोले दया क्या होता है ना प्रभु तो करुणा
he has immeasurable
इसीलिए
grace.
हमको दो स्थान से एक तो ग्रहों से
Thus he saved me from the clutches of the crocodile, and he saves me from the clutches of the material world.
इसका मतलब क्या
What does this mean? That means to have transcendental body and to have prema bhakti. Otherwise this will not happen.